Hey YouTube, Garage here, back here again. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to replace your serpentine belt on this 2012 Chevrolet Cruze Eco. My issue that I'm having is, and it's actually very common, but my belt, as you can see, is just destroyed. You see? So I'm going to go ahead and replace it. I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm also going to show you the diagram of the belt. So the first step for this job is removing this just to create some space, and we eventually will have to remove the motor mount, which is a little bit of annoying for such an easy, supposed to be job, but you know how it is. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and replace this, remove this, put it on the side so I can have some space, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So here we go. Okay guys, so to remove the whole air intake, it's very easy. Just use a flathead. You're going to go ahead and remove this screw right here. I'm going to take out this air component here, the duct, and then as you can see, it's just hold in place by this, and there's another one on this side. You just pop it up once you remove this, and we're also going to unplug this hose right here. Just pull back and loosen that up. There you go. See? So unplug that, leave it on the side, just like that, and go ahead and remove this. Use a flathead. This is what I'm using. Once I remove that, I'm gonna pop it up and put it over there. There's a wire. I'm not gonna disconnect it. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna put this to the side and then work on the rest. So here we go. Okay guys, so now that I move this to the side, we're gonna remove the motor mount. So this is your motor mount right here. And every time you remove a motor mount, you need some jacks to keep the engine in place. So since we're removing it, I have to jack up the car. Really annoying. Jack up the car. I have to put a jack underneath and put a little 2x4. You probably don't see it. Yeah, to hold the engine right underneath the oil pan. Just watch out with that one because you can mess up the oil pan. So that's why you put a little stud or something there. A big flat piece of wood, so keep it in place, and don't really raise up the car, but just hold it in place. Now that I remove this, you're gonna kind of see how everything kind of moves around, but that will hold it in place. So go ahead and remove this 6 screws. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws and 1 nut. We're gonna go ahead and remove those. So I'm gonna give you the sizes in just a second. All right guys, so this is gonna be a size 15, and they're all size 15. So go ahead and get your ratchet and just take care of this. So they're size 15, remove 06, and I'm gonna tell you what to do next. Okay guys, so I remove all the screws and I put them here. The 3 from the top are the same, this 2 are the same, and then there's a nut. If you put the jacks properly, then everything should be kind of like loose and no pressure or nothing, so it was an easy job. You have a lot of space, no problem. My motor mount is good, doesn't need any replacing. I'm gonna put that right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this right here. And this is one size 15 right there, size 15 on this side, and there's one down here. Let me see, can't really show you this one right here, see? So it's 3 size 15, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove this piece, this bracket right here. So go ahead and remove that, size 15. I'm gonna remove that and I'm gonna show you what to do next. Okay guys, so now that we're here, if your belt broke like mine, go ahead and clean everything up. I already kind of did, but just clean everything, all the pieces that were there before. And in my case, my tensioner, which is this guy right here, it's actually out of place. It's old, it actually needs replacing, so I'm gonna replace that, but that's a video, a video for another day. I'm gonna just show you how to put the belt. Get a size 7/16, so this is a 7/16. You're gonna put it right here, and basically just like this, all right? And then you're gonna go clockwise, so this way, as you can see, and that releases the tension so that you can put your belt in. So basically, if I had it in this way, which is probably the way you're going to use it, and let me I just want to be clear, you're gonna push down, all right? So you're gonna go clockwise, away from the vehicle, towards your front bumper. And then you can use somebody can help you, and you can just go ahead and put the belt. I'm gonna put a diagram of the belt right now, as you can see. So there's the layout of the belt, and go ahead and place it. Just follow this diagram, and let me show you what to do next. All right, guys, so I already put my belt, and as it is, here it is. Here's the diagram. Here's another diagram, the layout of the belt. As you can see, alternator on this side, AC compressor on that side, belt tensioner right here, and this is it. It was actually an easy job. It's annoying that you have to remove all this, but once you do, you have so much space that it's actually nice. But then again, you have to lift the car up, and it's a small car, and so it's annoying. But I'm gonna put everything back in place and then turn on the car. But that's it. My belt was just a mess, and I seen a lot of them with the same issue. If you need to buy the belt, check the link. This is an Eco. I'm gonna just make sure you have the same layout, but I'm gonna put a link in the description if you need that. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped. It's an easy job, and I always want to encourage you guys to do it yourself, save some money, and exercise. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.